everyone, welcome back to another episode of GenAI Vlog. So in this small tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to build a baby Helloworld application using AWS Amplify. And it's going to be React based. I'm going to use TypeScript to design the front end. So with that being said, let's turn our attention to our computer. So right in front of me, I'm in my Windows laptop. Here is a Windows PowerShell, so it's in my terminal window. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the correct repository first. And after I got into my desired directory, I can then using npx to create my React app. So what we're going to do is we're going to say latest hello world. Okay, I'm going to say yes to proceed. And it's going to create a list of artifacts that supports that React app. Okay, so now a bunch of things has been created. Let's do an ls to see what's going on. Here's a folder called Hello World. Let's go in there. And then let's do another ls. And then here we have a couple of artifacts, right? So in the terminal, it's a little bit difficult to read. I'm going to open VS Code. So this opens up a VS Code. Let's come in here and let's take a look what's going on, right? So on the left-hand side, we have node modules. These are where the packages lives. We have a public. There are a couple of logos here, and then we have a source. Inside of the source, it's a JavaScript based, right? I haven't put a whole lot of things in there, which we're going to do that next. And we have a couple of artifacts. So now what we're going to do is do an npm start to see what we're working with. So this is what the front end looks like right now. It's hosted on a local host to the port range 3000, and it's currently up and running, right? And we know that it's running because this thing is spinning and this app is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this page open, and then we're going to come to our terminal to set things up, and then we're going to make a few edits. So I'm going to Control C out of this and say Y, yes. And then we're going to say amplify init. We will go with yes. So say Y. So the first answer should be fine. Let's go with that. Hello world, the default name is a fine name for the package. So I'm going to hit enter. And then it's going to initiate using the above configuration. I'm going to say yes. And then here I'm going to need to enter my AWS access keys, right? So, and for US East 1, that's fine. So that's my area of region. And then I noticed that here, this Amplify user is not authorized to perform Amplify create app on resource. So what needs to happen is I'm going to have to go into IAM role and add this Amplify create app to that role. So once I have administered access for Amplify as a permission added to the IAM role, then I log in with that role in the Amplify configure. This is able to allow me to get past the permission blocker. So now it's going to initiate an Amplify environment. So once everything is done, let's do an ls. And then you can see some of these are updated. Let's go into VS Code. And this is when you can see a bunch of different things. And as you can see here, the majority of the app is in app.js script. And we're going to do a little bit of editing here. So let's update the script here. And then let's render it to see what's going on. We can come back here to terminal and say npm start. And this will reinitiate the app. So here you go on localhost 3000. This is what the app look like. So maybe I can say hello world. Since this is echo bot, it's probably just going to repeat what I say. Hello world, just like that. And you can say 1 + 1, hit send, 1 + 1. There you go. You get the idea. So now let's say I'm happy with this. I want to push this app onto Amplify as one of the AWS app with the live URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this down, go to my terminal, get out of this by terminate the job. And then I can say amplify push to push all the artifact to the cloud. I think I forgot to add a hosting. So I'm going to say amplify hosting add, to which will connect the hosting for me. In this case, I'm going to say using amplify console. And I'm going to choose manual deployment because there's no Git-based deployment connected. Once that's done, I'm going to go enter amplify publish. This should be able to publish everything and give me a live URL. I'm going to say yes. And it's going to deploy the resources, the root stack, and the hosting of this app. Okay, cool. Once the deployment is complete, you're going to see this URL. Of course, you can click on it and then it will take you to a live URL with this app that we just talked about, right? EchoBot. And whatever you type in, it's going to return exactly that, right? And then through AWS Console, you can go to Amplify, and you're going to see a new app coming up called Helloworld. And of course, this is the same URL that I just showed you earlier. Click on that. It'll take you to the same app. And since this is an EchoBot, then whatever you type, it's just going to repeat that. So hopefully this video is fun for you and shed some light to build your first Helloworld React app using Amplify. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.